Hello, guys. Good day. Thank you for tuning in. And today I want to talk about this Android box. They said all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Today we'll not be talking about electric fencing. We want to talk about this box, which I feel all homes, even if you have maybe a smart TV, especially with the web OS, that's the web operating system, you might need this box is a loaded one. Is You can actually download so many apps from your Play Store. There are some that you can also download out of the Play Store too. Let's unbox. Let's see what we have there. This very Android box is a 16 gig ROM, all right, and a 2 gig RAM. So that's the processor, is a 2 gig RAM processor, and that's quite, you have some that are 4. But I'll tell you, with the 2 gig RAM, you're able to run most app flawlessly on this Android box. Now let's see what we have here. This is the device itself. All right, this device it's what you connect to your TV. Even if your TV is not smart, by the time you connect this device to your TV automatically becomes smart. So if you be thinking how you get money to get a new smart TV, by getting this alone, I'll tell you, your TV will work like a smart TV. Then it comes with a charger, right? We have a charger inside, that's like the power pack. It comes also with the remote. So with this device, you can just sit on your couch and just press your remote, operate it flawlessly. Even it comes with a USB, sorry, not a USB, a HDMI cable, which you can also use in connecting to your TV. Now, this very Android box is unique. One thing I love about Android box is the way it's designed. You have different ports. That's the HDMI port. You have the port for AV. You have the port for your USB. You can actually connect your mouse, a wireless mouse. That's what I use in my own case. I use the wireless mouse, and you can also use a wireless keyboard connected, because you have 2 USB ports on this Android box. So you can just sit down even on your couch, and you can also browse the internet. Immediately you link up with your internet. It has a LAN cable if you want to connect through LAN, and you can also connect through the wireless. So this device is loaded. It is loaded. It's something I can always recommend to anyone. Should you want to get this, you don't need to maybe break the bank to get that. You can get a device for as low as $30 something, let's say $35 or less. You can get this very type, and it's also very rugged. For more information, you can beat me and I'll send you a link on how you can get yours. Okay, let's look at the interface, what we have there. Okay, look at this very part. This is the interface of this very Android TV box. From this very interface, you can see we have Netflix, we have the Play Store, right? We have some players. Those ones you can also connect it, because that device has a port you can connect even a micro SD. We have different apps on this device. It's just for now. I think this one I just loaded this with some few apps for the sake of this video, but it can collect a whole lot of apps that can be connected to this system. Let's take a look at those apps. But before we talk about those apps, do you know if you are an installer and your client want to actually see their camera from their phone using this V380 Pro app or the used U-Box, you can actually download them here, and you have the interface and you can see them on the TV. So that's the secret I'm just telling you now. So it's something I'll say you don't even know about it, but I need to also make you get this very update. As a security system installer, you can install this box in your client's TV and able to access their cameras, watch it on the TV, just like the way they see other kind of camera from their phone. That's another update. You can see whenever I give you any of this thing, you must always get value. Okay, let's talk about the other apps we're talking about on the system. That for entertainment. Let's go, please. Okay, these are the apps. I'll be talking much about the movie HD. These movies here, they're actually being reviewed. They are recent movies. Some movies that have just been premiered. When you check this app, you get them. And painful enough, you can't get this app on your Play Store. I can tell you that for free. You can't get it. But if you're unable to get this very app, you can DM me via my number on WhatsApp. I can send you a copy of it via Telegram. All right. So just take a look at this. This is one of the one recent movie that even if you check the internet, you try to search for it, you might not even get it. But here, you find the app here, and the video quality is very, 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 very impressive. Anyway, it's something you will also like. So I'm trying to stream this to see what we have here. Okay, this is a Mad Max, the latest of it. This is it. Okay, so I will recommend this box for anyone any day. So it's not just about walk. Sometimes you should have time for, okay, let me have a little time just to get some entertainment, even while you're sitting on your couch. So you can also get the subtitle for these movies. Yes, you go down there, you get subtitle for the very movie, and which I feel is worth every penny. So please, you can try get yours. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, very interesting movie. Okay, that's the subtitle thing. I was trying to get it here, and I got it right at the end of the day. Okay, that's the subtitle all underneath it. Yes, let me quit this. Let's check something else. Okay, it might come with adverts, right? Okay, so this is it. Movies, just name it. And there are also other apps that has to do with live football. Sometimes instead of you watching those things on your phone because it looks small to the phone, you can just have this Android box and connect to your TV. Anything you want to do, you can just begin to do them on your TV. You see them on a bigger screen, which is an advantage to whatever things you've been doing on your phone. This update is not just for people who loves entertainment, but if you love football, if you're into security systems, this can also help you in securing your client's property. Like I said earlier, the V380 Pro app can be installed on this system. The Easy Cloud, the Ubox app, these different apps, you can install them here, and your client can access it over a bigger screen. For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share. We'll be giving you more updates on this very channel. Thanks for your time. Till we meet again in our next episode. Do have a lovely week. Bye for now.